28-2011. She is coming.
Wow, energy, Alan K. More energy. More!
Energy.
Tuloy-tuloy ang kasiyahan dito sa studio. Narinig nyo na ang mga pabato ng video kay na Barangay East Rembo, Makati City. Ngayon naman,
Batiin na natin ang mga kasama nating balikbayan. Isa, sa'yo yan!
Let's go, let's go!
First na tayo, umpisa natin! Dito tayo mag-uumpisa! Kasama natin ngayon, from the United Kingdom, we have the Dizon family! At syempre, hindi lang yan mga dabarkad sa balikbayan na kasama natin today. Napakarami talaga. From California, USA, we have the Recto family. At nandito from Asia, Singapore, Montañez family. At nandito naman from Abu Dhabi, UAE, ang Armamento family. Ito naman from Saudi Arabia, ang Espinosa family. At dito din kasama natin ang Santiago family from Doha, Qatar. At ito, brabong-bravo, ang Bravo family from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. At ngayon naman, alamin natin kung sino ang kasama ni Alan Kay.
ang dami kong kasama, Miss Isa. Nakita mo ba to? The Miguel kaibigan. May Miguel na may kaibigan pa. Family from Louisiana, US of A. Ang gandun sila lahat dyan. Ito pa. The U family from Sacramento, US of A. Ayun, Bitangkor family from Sharjah, UAE. Ito pa, the Dizon family from Pensacola, Florida, USA. Ayun pa, mga balikbayan from San Pablo. Ayun talaga, nagkataasti kayo. Kimpoy, sino kasama mo dyan?
Oh, hey guys! Nice to be back. Anyway, kasama ko dito mga dabarkad sa atin from Pangarap Elementary School. Ayan mga kagraw. At syempre ang Aerobics Club Barangay Poblacion 1, Hueca, Batangas. Yellow and red. Police, sino pa ba mga dabarkad sa atin dyan?
Thank you, Kippy. Ngayon naman, gusto kong makita kung paano mag-shembot ang mga dabarkad from Barangay Kubang, Balanga, Bataan. Ito, balita ko magaling din mag-shembot ang mga Senior Citizens Association of Santolan, Pasig City. Mga naka-green. Okay mga dabarkads, ito na ang inaabangan yung lahat. Alam naming excited na kayo. Ang sorpresa namin sa inyo. Andito na si Elmo Magalona!
He's a very promising young rap star. He takes after his father quite a lot. And I'm actually very excited to see how he will grow in this industry.
Astig ka, dude. Kaya idol kita dahil ang galing mo mag-rap.
He is definitely cute. Parang Justin Bieber lang kung kumanta kay idol na idol ko si Elmo! Excited na kami mapanood si Elmo, kaya...
Go, Elmo!
Say I'm a fool to think that you're the one for me. I guess I'm just a sucker for love. Cause honestly the truth is that you know I'm never leaving. Cause you're my angel sent from above. Baby, you can do no wrong. My money is yours, give you a little more. Because I love ya. With me, girl, is where you belong. Just stay right here, I promise my dear. I'll do nothing above ya. Oh, love me, say that you love me. Ooh, oh, how you do me, kiss me, say that you miss me. Tell me what I wanna hear. just get to where you are. Step to the beat of my heart. I don't need a whole lot. You right when I haven't given you the world. Don't need to share my know. I won't be the first one giving you all this attention. Baby, listen, I just need somebody to love. I don't need too much. Need somebody, somebody to love. I don't need nothing else. I promise, girl, I swear, I just need somebody. I 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 need somebody. But I just need somebody. I need somebody. I need somebody. Well, I just need somebody to love.
Ladies and gentlemen, with the maneuvers, Elmo Macalona. Susunod na, Pinoy Henyo Intercollegiate Edition.
Ang laban sa pagitan ng universities at colleges.
Oo! Pilipinas! Oo! Ate!
Patunayan na ikaw ang henyong pambato sa inyong campus. Dito sa Pambansang Laro ng Bayan. Pinoy Henyo Intercollegiate Edition.
Kilala